Hey there, my name is Astrid and welcome to our new Avalon model home, part of the 62 new townhomes here at the Brownstones at Chevy Chase Lake. It is only minutes away from DC, Bethesda, Friendship Heights, and is just steps away from the future Purple Line. Now that you know a little bit more about our surroundings, let me take you on a tour of our newest model, the Avalon. Follow me. The Avalon features stunning hardwood floors as well as these beautiful 10-foot ceilings, as well as a private elevator, something that comes standard in all of our homes here at the Brownstones at Chevy Chase Lake. The kitchen is equipped with sleek modern appliances such as a thermal gas stovetop and an elegant and very discreet Bosch refrigerator and other customizable options. Upstairs we have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, including the owner suite which we're currently in. To make life a heck of a lot more convenient for you, we've actually built our homes with a laundry room on the same level as the bedrooms. By far my favorite feature of the Avalon model is the loft. It offers a spacious and comfortable place to relax. You also get access to your own private rooftop terrace where you have a grill, an outdoor fireplace, and amazing views. Thank you so very much for taking the time to tour this model home with me today at the Brownstones at Chevy Chase Lake. If you want to experience our new model in person, please give me a call at 301-830-4335 so I can help schedule your appointment and tour. See you soon. Bye-bye.